Fundamental forces in nature. We have 4 fundamental forces in nature. Okay, you don't know that we have 4 fundamental forces in nature. As you are born into this life, we are having 4 fundamental forces in nature. And they are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force. I am aware and I'm so sure if they ask you which of these 4 forces in nature is strongest, you will choose strong nuclear force, and you are correct. And if they ask you which one is weakest, you will going to choose weak nuclear force, and you are going to be wrong. Watch this video to the end. You will understand the one that is the weakest amongst the 4. I've told you the strongest, strong nuclear force. Now the difference between gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Number 1, gravitational force is the force that holds matters together on Earth. The force of attraction that exists between matters. You and I. I see? Okay? On Earth, we have gravitational force due to gravity. If you watch carefully, the force of attraction between 2 bodies of masses M1 and M2 is directly proportional to the product of masses M1 and M2 and inversely proportional to the square of their distance apart. It shows that if 2 bodies are very far away from each other, the force of attraction will reduce. But if they are very close, the force of attraction will be very high. The strength, the intensity will be high. However, force is directly proportional to M1, M2 all over R squared, which implies F is equal to G, M1, M2 all over R squared, where G is gravitational constant. Electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force, that is number 2. This is the force that exists between electric and magnetic interaction in nature. You see? In wireless communication, we make use of electromagnetic force. Okay. Strong nuclear force. Of course, gravitational force is the weakest. Electromagnetic force is stronger than gravitational force. Strong nuclear force is the strongest. It is the force that binds the quarks in the nucleus. So it binds proton and neutron together, holds them together. It exists in a stable atom, a stable element. Strong nuclear force is the strongest. However, weak nuclear force is stronger than gravitational force. That means gravitational force is the weakest, followed by weak nuclear force. Because electromagnetic force is stronger than weak nuclear force. You see? So these are four fundamental forces in nature that exist naturally. So for the weak nuclear force, is the kind of force that exists in an unstable element, unstable atom, that can cause what we call beta decay, radioactivity. This weak nuclear force can easily break out and cause radiation to move, radioactive decay. For example, beta decay. So weak nuclear force are found in radioactive elements. Strong nuclear force are found in stable elements. Remember, weak nuclear force are found in an unstable element, and only unstable elements can release radiation on their own. Listen to me. We have four fundamental forces in nature. And out of the four, the strongest is strong nuclear force. The weakest is gravitational force. Oh yeah, listen. What mediates these forces? What moves? What carries these forces? Pay attention to the last one. Number one, for gravitational force, what mediates it is gravitons. Take note. Gravitons carry the force of gravity. What mediates electromagnetic force? We call it photons. Photons mediate electromagnetic force, which is light. You clear? Now, strong nuclear force that glue together proton and neutron in the nucleus. So what do we call that one? That glue, from the word glue. We have gluon. And the last but not the least is called W and Z bosons. Four fundamental forces in nature: gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force. Awesome!